Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to make you learn ChatGPT in just 1 minute. So let's get started. You have to go to chat.openai.com and in here you can just prompt your questions, but before prompting it, just ask the ChatGPT to act as someone. So you can say maybe act as a dietitian or act as a dentist or act as a technical coach. So he can take up any role. After you tell him what role he needs to take, you can ask him some questions. So you can say, okay, tell me the pregnancy diets. So you just need to press enter. So he will tell you some pregnancy diet. The more specific your question will be, the more good answer you will get. So that's a free version. You can also go with the paid version, ChatGPT 4. 4 will give you access for creating images, for creating videos, or maybe creating presentations. So that's a more powerful version. But I hope you got the idea. Thank you so much.